Would you believe me if I said I have created this website without even typing a single line of code? Here's how I did it, and you can do it too. Go to antigravity.google and click on the download button in the right top corner. Now select a download according to your system. I'm going to select for Windows and wait for it to download an exe for you. After it's done installing, you need to start the installer. Click on the accept terms, click on next button, select the path for your installation and select the start menu for your installation, and then you can check the create desktop button from here and click on next and install and wait for it to install. Once it's done installing, you can click on the finish button and it will launch the anti-gravity application for you. Once you're done setting up your application, you'll be asked to open a folder where the anti-gravity can save the project for you. I'll open this folder here and let's head straight into creation. So you can see this is the agent chat where you can select the conversation mode of the agent. It can either be planning or fast. The fast option will give you the output really quickly, but the planning mode is when you want to create something with more planning and you need the agent to do deep searches, and it has a lot of features which need reviewing. So you need to choose the mode according to the project that you want to create. We are going to use the fast mode right now, and we'll be using the Gemini 3 Pro model, and I'll enter in a prompt to create a one-page resume for me which has a clean and model look, and I've mentioned the elements that it should have. The agent has completed the website development and all I have to do is review the changes in the files by clicking on the review changes, and it will show me all the changes that have been made. And I can see a lot of files have been added. There have been few changes made in the CSS as well, because the agent was continuously testing and trying out features of website and improving my code. So now to view this website, I'll head over to the top bar and click on the open browser preview, and the browser will open with my website. And as you can see, this whole website is fully functional and looks really nice as well, and it was made with just a single prompt. Now, I'll discuss a few important settings that you must know. To go into settings, you need to click on the anti-gravity settings from the status bar and check out these agent settings. The most important agent setting is the review policy, where we have three options, that is always proceed, agent decides, and request review. What always proceed does is it lets the agent apply changes immediately without asking for any reviews. The agent decides option will check whether or not to ask the human for the reviewing, and it might ask you for reviews for a few tasks and not for the others. And the request review is the lowest level of autonomy, so it will ask you every time for reviewing and manual instructions. The auto execution option is for when and when not the agent can execute the terminal commands. So if the auto option is on, then the agent can execute the command automatically, or it can ask user for an approval. In off mode, you'll always have to approve the execution before any terminal command is being executed, and in turbo mode, all the terminal commands will be executed by the agent itself. And finally, the agent autofix length is for automating the process of trial and error. If it is being turned on, then the agent will fix any errors that have been raised or any bugs that has been spotted while testing, and it will debug it on its own and it will improve the code on its own, solving the problem. These were few settings which we need to take care of. Other than that, you can open an agent manager from the button on top here, and you can use multiple agents at the same time to do multiple tasks simultaneously.